Hello and welcome back with another video of Unreal Engine. My name is Hamid Salim and you're watching Unreal Nation. So in this video, we're going to show you how you can retarget the animation. We have one site that's called the Mixamo.com in which you have to got a lot of free characters and animations as well. So today in this video we are download a character and one animation from that site and use that animation for our default character that engine has provided us. So we have download that animation from Mixamo and retarget that animation so that our character should perform that animation with this default skeleton. So for that, what you need is, first of all, you have to download any of the character you want. For example, I am selected this as Maria prop, so I am already download that. Here I have Maria prop and I have already selected and I have already downloaded the animation as well. So I have select this one as an animation. So here we see. So for downloading the animation, you have just click that and without skin, because you have already downloaded the skin before. So if you don't have download skin before, now you can download with skin as well. So after downloading these two assets, what you need is, so let me go to Unreal Engine. I have already added, so let me delete that. First delete, and let me create a new folder called Mixamo ch2. Double click and open it up. First of all, I am going to add that mesh, that is this one, and import all. So this is the character that we have import from Mixamo. So what we need is, we also need to add the animation as well. So drag and drop the animation, so it will automatically select the Maria prop skeleton. If it don't select that, then you can select manually. So most of the time it will select automatically. So let import that. So here is the animation. So what we need is, we need that this animation perform by this default character, so that in future we will use all the animation assets that are provided Mixamo free of cost. So let me close that and come to the content browser. So for that, we need a retarget animation. So the concept is known as retargeting animation. First of all, you need to go to our third person default character mesh. So I'm going to animation starter pack, UE mannequin meshes, and go to this. Double click and open it up, and by default the select skeleton tree is being selected. And you can also the second tab, if this tab is not visible, you can just click the retarget manager. This tab will be open up here. So after clicking the retarget manager, you should be under the setup rig. You should be select, first of all, let me clear that. Okay, you should be select the humanoid rig, because we want to target the animation between two humanoid rig. Let me select that, and it will automatically select each and every bone for us. So one more setting that you need is the view base pose. What is the purpose behind it? Here you can see in our character that we have got from the Mixamo is standing in the T pose, that is the base pose. So if we are going to retarget the animation, we should be exactly match that pose for our default character as well. You can see this is the base pose for our default character, and this is the base pose for our Maria that we have got from Mixamo. So I am going to change that default character to T pose. So for that, what you need is, let me show you. I have already created that view pose. Here you can see it is the T pose. Let me hide that pose and let me show you how you can do that. So first of all, in that let me go to skeleton tree, and in this skeleton tree you have to select the upper arm right. Here you can see upper arm right, and you need to change to T-pose, like you need to rotate and adjust to 50°. So it will be T-pose. Now this is the upper arm right. You need to go to again to the left arm right. Here you can see upper arm left, and you need to change that to 50° as well, so that it will be exactly same with our this character. So after doing that, what you need is go to retarget manager and modify pose and use current pose. Use current pose and let me hide pose and view pose. So that is exactly matching with our this character. So that means we are now ready to retarget the animation from that character to another character. That is our mannequin. So we have select the rig for this mesh. So again we have to select the humanoid rig for this character as well. So what you need is go to the skeleton mesh of Maria and go to the retarget manager and select the humanoid rig. But notice that we have got nothing selected over here, because this is the Mixamo character. And Mixamo character, the skeleton tree is a little bit different with our UE mannequin. So let me go to the skeleton tree. Here you can see the naming convention is different that we have got from the Mixamo character. So what we need is we are going to match that so that it will exactly same for our this thumb, this reading. So the naming convention is a little bit easy. You can do is very easily. So for that, let me go to humanoid rig and root motions. Select the none. Don't select any root, and pelvis, and select that hips. For spine 1, select the spine. For spine 2, select the spine 1. For select spine 3, select the spine 2. So now this is the calvus all. Calvus L mean the left arm. So now I am going to select the left shoulder. Here you can see left shoulder, and after selecting the left, there is the upper arm left. So for upper arm left, I am going to be the left arm, and upper arm lower, I am going to select the left forearm, and that is hand L mean hand, left hand. So I am going to select the left hand. So now the same we are going to do for the right as well. So let's select right shoulder, upper arm R mean right arm, lower arm right, that is the where's that, oh, right forearm, hand R mean right hand. Let me select that. Now neck 0, I'm going to select the neck. Head is also selected, because if the naming conventions are same, it will automatically select it. So thigh L mean, let me go for the legs, that is left shoulder. Thigh L mean left up leg. Calf L mean the lower part of. Foot L mean left foot. So I'm going to select the left foot. So for the same one, I'm going to for the right one, thigh L mean thigh right, right up leg. Calf R is the right leg, and foot R is about right foot. So So here you can see, after giving the naming convention, what we need is we just go to our content browser, and in content browser go to that specific animation that we want to retarget. So we want this animation performed by our third person skeleton. So what we need is, let me close that, into content browser, left click on our animation and go to the retarget anim assets and duplicate anim assets and retarget. So here you can see our skeleton is already selected as a source. So we have to select the target. Source is that mesh that is coming with that animation, and the target is that mesh that we want to perform that animation from this actor, source actor, to our target actor. So let me go to change their location. I am going to just on the open surface and retarget. So here you can see our retargeting is done. Let me go to content. Here you can see we have got the same name, and let me open it up. Here you can see it will got exactly the same animation that we got from the Mixamo character. So in this way you can got any animation from Mixamo and use for any character that you want. So far so good in this video. If you have any query or question, write down a comment below, and also support us on Patreon. Thank you very much.